However, if it's targeted to them specifically, their interests, then you're more likely to get that click. PushEngage is going to allow you to do that, and you can do that either automatically after a period of time or after a certain action, or you can do it manually, which essentially means that PushEngage is also great if you're a beginner, if you're brand new to all of this, or if you're an expert. If you've been doing this for a long time, PushEngage has got plenty of tools that are going to give you everything you need. PushEngage does also have some real standout features. Some of these are more advanced, but they're really, really powerful. We're talking about the market automation capabilities, which are going to offer A/B testing, automatic drip campaigns, and smart opt-in reminders. You can get custom triggered campaigns, interactive message options, and loads more. The triggered campaign feature we really like because it allows for automated cart abandonment notifications along with scheduled messages and price drop alerts.